Welcome back to another episode of How the Heck Do I Do This? So, this is the main app screen for Sunbase. In the top right-hand corner is your check-in. That's literally a clock in, clock out button that you can use if you so choose. You can use it to track your number of hours that you're in the field. You can use it to check your productivity. You can use it for that critical path stuff we were talking about. I've been in the field for 4 hours already. How many houses have I hit? How many customers have I sat with? How many people have I checked up on? Just checking your red zone and your green zone activities against each other to see if you're being as productive as you could be. Right below that is your task summary. You can create yourself a task for something that needs to be done, and it'll send you reminders. And then in the box, you can see if you have overdue tasks or if you have assigned tasks. Right now, it looks like I have 9 that I have to get taken care of. Below that box is going to be your day. It's going to be, so right now it's Tuesday the 19th. All below that would be any appointments that you have scheduled for yourself that day. On the very bottom part of the menu, you have the main menu, you have search, and you have notifications. Let's tap on the menu button, and you'll see sales, production, calendars, my day, tasks, and sales metrics. Sales metrics is where you'll be able to keep track of your individual production. Under tasks, you can see your tasks that you have overdue. So for instance, I have 3 tasks that have been overdue, and I have all these ones that are not overdue quite yet. So I can go back into these and check these out. And then here in the My Day is a little bit different of a breakdown. This will be your appointments or jobs. You can break it up on things that you need to get done. You can put your job tasks in there, and it'll give you more specifics on things that you need to get done. And then underneath status updates, you can put things inside of there. So you'll see where you're at and what you need to get done. That'll help you out. Your follow-up tasks, all these things are available for you. So if we go back to our menu, you have your calendars, and that's where you'll see all your appointments for the day or installs, things like that. Production has a job board and your appointments. So under the job board, we went ahead and put a couple in here for you guys to be able to see. These are still in takeoff right now, which means they haven't had a site survey scheduled yet. These are in design and engineering, which means the customer had gotten a notification and the rep had gotten a notification that they're in permitting, or they're not in permitting yet, but their plans are being designed. And then we have one that's scheduled for installation, and then we have one here that is fast track for installation. We got 2 of those, and we have a couple of these that are currently in inspection and PTO, which means they've been installed. Every time something moves through progression in this, the customer gets to see it inside of their customer portal and monitor their status. They get an email letting them know that something has changed, and you get an email letting you know that something has changed. If it's in site survey, if it's in interconnection and permitting, if it's in scheduling, you're going to get an email that needs confirmation from the customer to move forward. So under scheduling, under site survey, and scheduling, both of those will have a time and date you need to confirm with your customer, so you'll get an email to call them. You must call them that day, otherwise they will lose that date. You need to call them and text them, and then once you get the confirmation, whether by text, email, or phone, you will get, you'll go back in and you'll tag the projects team, letting them know that it's been confirmed, and then you can move forward with your day, and then we can move forward with getting them scheduled. Under interconnection and permitting, this is where they have their plans already designed. So you can actually download a copy of it and send it off to the customer and confirm the actual plans with them before we get the actual permits back, just in case they don't like the layout or something needs to be changed. It wasn't what you guys had discussed. So let's go back to our menu and click on a couple more things. We have our leads, opportunities, customers. You can manage them all. You can go to canvassing, leaderboards, documents, your tasks again. Proposal and solar designer are going to be for your managers only. Very soon, these will be open for us to be able to do your proposals directly in Sunbase, so you guys don't have to go back and forth from solo to here. You can search for all of your customers in the search button right here, and you can type in their name and pull them directly up. So if I type in this one,